Did you know there's a new method for treating pancreatic cancer with fewer side effects? A groundbreaking partnership between the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and the Universities of Göttingen has led to the development of this novel method. It uses nanoparticles to deliver the drug gemcitabine directly into tumors, improving efficacy and reducing the damaging side effects often associated with chemotherapy. Pancreatic cancer, known for its lethal nature, is frequently diagnosed late, making treatment difficult and often less effective. Yet this new nanoparticle method is showing promise. It increases the drug concentration in the tumor cells while sparing healthy ones, overcoming the issue of tumor resistance to treatment. This approach has been proven effective in mouse models, and the interdisciplinary team of chemists, biologists, pharmacists, and physicians is now working tirelessly to optimize this therapy for clinical application. With this innovative treatment, we are stepping into a future where pancreatic cancer could be less of a death sentence. So, how exactly does this new method work? Well, let's dive into the science. This innovative treatment utilizes something called nanoparticles. These minuscule particles are designed to carry the drug gemcitabine directly into the heart of the tumors. By doing so, the concentration of the drug in the tumor cells increases, while healthy cells are spared from its potentially harmful effects. But the brilliance of this method doesn't stop there. One of the major challenges in treating pancreatic cancer is tumor resistance. Essentially, some tumors have a knack for resisting the treatments we throw at them. However, these nanoparticles have a trick up their sleeve. They can bypass these resistance mechanisms, ensuring the drug reaches its target, the cancerous cells. The result? A more effective treatment with fewer side effects, a win-win in the world of medical science. This method, though complex, shows promising results in the fight against pancreatic cancer. What's next for this revolutionary treatment? The journey has only just begun. The treatment has shown significant promise in mouse models, effectively delivering the chemotherapy drug gemcitabine directly into the tumors. The nanoparticles work ingeniously, bypassing resistance mechanisms within the tumor cells and sparing healthy cells, reducing the side effects typically associated with chemotherapy. But here's where the real challenge begins. The interdisciplinary team, composed of chemists, biologists, pharmacists, and physicians, are now working tirelessly to optimize this therapy for clinical application. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, refining the technology, and rigorously testing it to ensure its safety and efficacy in humans. Their ultimate goal? To bring the nanoparticles into clinical use as swiftly as possible. The hope is that this nuanced method will revolutionize the way we treat pancreatic cancer, one of the most lethal forms of cancer, and dramatically improve survival rates. The future of pancreatic cancer treatment is promising thanks to the hard work and dedication of these brilliant minds. We hope you found this information enlightening. We value your time and your unwavering curiosity. Remember, the journey of knowledge and understanding never stops, so keep exploring, keep questioning. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.